This is episode 19 of season 2 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. Let's get started. Link in the description that will send you to Crunchyroll. Bring the episode down to 0. They're going to play at the same time. So, when you're ready, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm ready. I hope you're ready, because I'm ready. Dryas? Just like for the dryads? Uh, okay. That seems complicated, but I'm here for it, I guess. Did he say that was Tranny's original body? Are they just wooden constructs? I guess they're greater spirits. So, oh, I guess they were just spirits inhabiting wooden golems. I didn't realize that. Hmm. Well, makes sense. Now she can leave and she can do what she wants. That's lovely. I'm here for it. Oh, she's flying around her. That's cute. Settle all your scores. Let's go. Hey, while we're in the intro, if you want to head on over to my video and like, comment, and subscribe, it super helps out the channel, gets more people in here, fun things like that. And I've got a Discord. There's a link in the description if you want to go to it and talk to cool people. It's a great place to do it. It's free to enter. There is a members only section that does cost money, but to become a member, once you become a member, wait, hold on, words. It costs money to become a member to get access to the members only section. But that's about it. You don't have to be in there if you don't want to. And if you're already a member, then you get access to it. That's kind of the perk. If you're already a member. It's good stuff. Gotta show myself every single episode. It's very important. I'm excited for this episode. I don't know if we're gonna be at Walpurgis in this episode or not, or if we're going there. I feel like we might be entering it, but I guess we'll see. I'm curious. I would very much like to start getting into the talks of everything because I'm so fucking interested and ready. God, this fucking music slaps. It's so good. I'm here for it every day of my life. Damn. It looks good. Let's go. I'm ready. I need more than one episode a week, please. Damn. It's kind of fitting when you think about it. Born leader. Damn. Damn, that's a good skill. Mm. Yeah, you can't. You can't just shut it aside. No, he won't. You could. Oh, damn. We don't generally see her going out and fighting. And she is a very powerful mage, though. So she seems eager. I'm surprised he gets surprised by that. It happens so often. Oh god, she's gonna die. I'm going to cry. That's good at least. Damn. All right, let's go. Only 100 dragon. Dragon faithful. Oh, okay. I thought they were saying they were faithful to him. Well, you're going off numbers, not based on strength. She seems happy. Hmm. I don't even know what kind of sword that big dude was holding. It's like a combination of a few. There's like a scimitar mixed with a long sword, mixed with a great sword. I don't know. They are in a ravine. This would be a great trap. Hmm. Fair. We'll let you do this. We'll let you take charge. So let us go this. Nice. She's a clever woman. Fuck. I wasn't expecting that from Rimuru. Damn. You can just hear him. I guess they're communicating via telepathy, maybe. Oh my god, they're just knocking it down? Damn. Oh, it's just a giant pitfall. Oh my god. I thought they were gonna collapse in like the side of the mountain and get them. Well, some can fly, so that's fair. Oh my god! Well, we got flyers too. Damn. Damn. Pay attention. You're gonna die. More survived than I would have expected. But very hard to defend yourself while climbing up the side of a mountain. Nice. It's literally, it's so one-sided. Damn. What about the Majin, though? Fair. Go have fun. Go on your murder spree. It's okay. Oh, she can just fly? I wasn't expecting her to be able to fly. Okay, let's go. I'm worried. It's too easy right now. Oh, yes, absolutely. That's not a good strategy. Okay, it sounded like you needed to hear it, though. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm worried about him. I'm very worried about this guy. He seems very strong. So we'll see. He's going after the two Majin, right? I don't know how strong he is compared to them. To be fair, I guess I don't know how strong these two are. They're very manipulative, but who knows? Why is he angry? Calm down. Are they still trying to trick him? They're also just straight up running from the battle. They seem confident, though. So I doubt they're weak. That's good. He surprised them. It is still 2-on-1, though. Oh, never mind, it's not. I lied. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. now it's 2v2. I'm ready. Hmm. If he doesn't come out on top in this war, in this battle, then he's gonna be killed anyway. No, does that mean he's just gonna run? Oh, he's just gonna run. Sounds like he's running away. So, lie. Yeah. What a bitch. He's gonna be confronted right now. Or if he teleports. Oh, nope, it was broken. Oh, he's trying again! Yes. Oh, they're dead, aren't they? Yeah. Oh, fuck. I don't know how capable these men were, but since they were in this tent, I'd imagine probably pretty capable. Dude, you're dead. Absolutely. Will you? You sound like the type to run away. Because that's what you were trying to do. Oh, fuck. She's confident. She, like, moved backwards. Interesting. Maybe for a bit of a lunge. Damn. Cool. Hell yeah. Oh, yes. I was wondering when the one-on-one was going to be broken. Whoa! My man! My man! I love you. Oh, oh my god. They're all in her shadow. Weakling? Bro, I think he's stronger than you are. You're good, dude. You're very strong. Like, really fucking strong. Fast, nimble, powerful. I love him. She seems to like him too. You sure? He was worried. Hell yeah. Damn. Damn. That was a good episode. We finally got to the fighting, and it's so goddamn good. It's so clean. I can't wait for some of the bigger fights, too, that are probably coming up. I'm excited. If you guys are excited, click that notification bell so you know when the next episode is live, and like, comment, and subscribe, because it super helps out the channel. Other than that, thank you for coming to the party.